Good morning, everybody from Blizzard Beach. Are you excited today?
Yes.
It's our first time going to Blizzard Beach. What did you want to do the most?
I actually don't know.
Yeah, that's right, because we don't know. Well, I do know one thing. There's a chairlift that takes you up to the water slides. I really want to do that today. We'll have to get some food because you're going to get hungry. Mm-hmm. And this little guy loves water slides and parks now, so really excited to get inside and check it out. So let's go. We're doing great. You want to go? Where are you going? You want to go say hi to him? Have a good day. That's super cool. A little Santa in his like beach attire meet and greet over there right as you enter the park. Very cool. Here we are checking out the map. I love maps. You guys should know that. So right now we're here. We're gonna come up. We're gonna find ourselves a chair somewhere over here by the wave pool. I'm really excited for the racing slides here. The big slide. I don't know if you're gonna do that one, Tanner. It's pretty big. We definitely gonna take the chairlift up here. Let's see, we got the lazy river goes all the way. It's called the Cross Country Creek. And
that's why I want to do
some interesting tube slides. There's a lot to explore today, so we better get started. I think this is the splash pad, right? Number 4? Yeah, this is for little kids right here. That's the splash pad. I am loving Blizzard Beach already. The presentation is just amazing. Look at this crazy crystal clear lazy river. The biggest thing is there's nobody here today. There are a couple people here, but overall the parking lot only had one row of cars, so the park is ours today. That's what I'm talking about right there. Look at whoosh. Woohoo! Gonna have to do that. I'm gonna tell you right now, I am in awe on how amazing this park looks. All right, everybody, we're ready to get in the water, so I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro now and we'll get in there. All right, ready? This is going to be so awesome going up here. We'll get an overhead view of everything that is going on. It's very slow, very patient. What do you think? You rode the balloon at Disney Springs and had no issues. What do you think about this one? You don't like this one? Well, you got on it. That's pretty impressive. Now that water slide up there does drop all the way down to right there. That is pretty cool. Yeah, you're not riding that. So our first one we're gonna do is that up there. We're calling that Misadventure Falls for the moment because that's pretty much what it is from Typhoon Lagoon. You can see we down here, we have a obstacle course. We have some small tube ride area right there. The water coming down this slide is hitting so loud. It's super cool. Definitely want to try that. Not sure we'll do it today though. It looks intimidating actually the closer we're getting to it now. I know that drop is intense.
You're just going like, wee!
Yeah. Why? It's actually not that steep. Oh, we slowed down. Check that out, everybody. That is pretty cool. So up here we have Summit Plummet, and then we got Slush Gusher. That's Summit Plummet right there. Helicopter. We're gonna do Teamboat Springs, but there's also, we're on top of Mount Gushmore, elevation 90 feet. So we're 90 feet above where we were just at. Check this out, everybody. We've got Everest from Animal Kingdom, the Tree of Life, and then over there we have Pandora. We're at pretty good height. We can see quite a good area. All right, time for a break. We're gonna go eat. It's now 11:30. We've done, in about an hour of being in the park,
And we only done 5.
we've done 5 items of the park so far.
It's not a lot.
It's not a lot, but I mean, in an hour, that's pretty good. Again, there is low crowd levels today. It is a Saturday on top of that, which is kind of crazy to me, but we have had some lower temperatures in the area lately. Today's high is only 75, but it feels great. Quick view of the menu here. You can see that bacon cheeseburger double has an onion on top of it. That's a tomato, chicken wrap, white cat flatbread. I keep saying I'm gonna do the all-day refillable mug. When we're at Typhoon Lagoon, I wound up never doing that. Shrimp and grits, almost got that. Wound up just going with the double cheeseburgers, but they do have some other options here. And then for the kids, we went with the chicken strips, which comes with 2 sides and a drink for $8.49. Pretty good deal, as you can see. Chocolate chip cookie alone is $3.49, so for $8.49, good deal. And yep, you can definitely get some drinks here. Here is our meal. Lots of barbecue sauce, as you can see. Chicken tenders is the kid size. We were wrong about the chocolate chip cookie. It's actually the bug bite cookie. I got him a blue raspberry lemonade. How is it? It's good? Okay. This is my double cheeseburger. Still looks really fancy. And then, like I said, it comes with a drink, so I got a Sprite since I bought him that. But I brought my own drink as well. What do you think of your chicken strips?
Good.
They were good. You got a whole bunch of barbecue. Do I got barbecue sauce? He's got barbecue sauce all over it.
Can you please get
How many barbecue sauce packages did you eat?
4.
Yeah, he had 4 of those. He was just dipping them. I'm sorry, it was just too funny when he was doing it.
This with the fries.
How was the blue raspberry lemonade?
Good. I didn't finish it all, but it was good.
Would you get it again?
Yeah.
Yeah. And my burger was excessively filling. I was thinking like it's gonna be 2 small patties. No, those were big. I am definitely stuffed right now. So what we're gonna do is gonna go over to the shops, kind of look around at what they have available before we get back in the pool, because I do need a moment. All the fries and everything. Yeah. All right. Just walking along and noticed the goof right there. Pretty cool on the ground. We're heading over to Beach House. Just walked in. Large selection of hats available. I liked all the different sleds and everything in the overhead. Bathing suits and swimmers and oh wow, check it out, snow. Oh, this is so cool. The theming, the sled right there with the mirror in it. Theming in here is really nice. Like I said, bunch of different shorts and swimwear. If you need it, we can get sunscreen. They do have a sign outside that tells us today they recommend SPF 30. That's good. Ooh, sunglasses. I do need a new pair of sunglasses. Assortment of beach towels. You can see we got Christmas. Oh, Blizzard Beach one right there. Then we got the Typhoon Lagoon with Stitch, Mickey, Space Mountain, the Stormtrooper, and these are all $29.99. Tanner, you need a new pair of Crocs? Ooh, yeah? Which ones do you like? I think these are about your size. Evil look. What are these? $29.99. Blizzard Beach towels, shirts. Blizzard Beach shirt right there. Looks pretty cool. What are you doing? Are you ready to go swimming? Yeah, he's getting impatient. All right, I'm gonna take my kid back in the water. All right, everybody, we're wrapping it up now, but we wanted to go over what we liked, what we didn't like, or what we thought was really, really cool. And then, yeah? Yeah, okay. He's getting tired. First thing we're going to talk about is the chairlift. What did you think of the chairlift, Tanner?
It was good.
Yeah, we actually quite enjoyed the chairlift. At first you're like, but it's really nice, especially if you want to go on this one right here, which we can't remember the name.
We call it
Misadventure Falls. Teamboat Springs, but right now there's a huge line because they're on limited capacity on the ride. Now, down here, you got to play on the nets and everything.
No, I didn't. I mean, it was okay.
You okay, but you don't really like it? What about the zip line?
No.
No? Okay, so that area is a no for you now. What about this number 6 slide here, the Slush Gusher?
No.
No?
I would never go on that.
So I got air right here. I was off for a good second, and when I got off, the lifeguard said, are you okay? And I was like, yeah, why? She just had that concerned look on her face. But otherwise, I really enjoyed that one. We didn't do this one because I didn't want to leave him up here. Tanner, Racer, number 9.
It was okay.
Whatever. We love racing against. I won every match that we did. Every one of them.
But somebody almost beat you.
Nobody ever beat me. Whatever.
No, somebody almost, because you just passed them.
Oh, yeah. Somebody was beating me, and I passed them right before the finish line. Here, what about this one? Number 10, Tanner, next to it.
What's that?
That's the one with the bob that zigzagged. It was so much fun.
Yeah,
I think
actually, yeah,
that one's really cool. If these two right here were my favorites. What about that one right there with the tube drop? You put your feet against the...
Yeah,
and
that one was okay.
You kept trying to ride it all day.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's a little bit...
Now we have the Lazy River, and the Lazy River was very slow compared to Typhoon Lagoon, but it was nice.
What's that?
That is the little kids area. I didn't bring my daughter today, so we did not do the kids area. So we did not really venture in there. We had a seat right about here. And let's see, what else, Tanner? Oh, these ones back here. These are kind of hard to get to, so you can't... Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I don't like those ones because you have to go all the way to the back.
Yeah, so it's really weird. It's best if you get on, because it operates in counterclockwise motion. So you just probably get off here and then go up the slide. It's not really that far, but lots of stairs. Pretty tiring, wasn't it? What else did you like about this place? Wave pool is...
No.
There's not really any waves. It does get up to 6 feet deep, 6.5 feet, but that's about it for the wave pool. I definitely would say Typhoon Lagoon is a lot calmer than everything we have here. This is pretty intense. What do you think? Yeah. And then, of course, they don't have a water roller coaster here, which I think is the only intense thing they really have at Typhoon Lagoon, because here, everything here is all fast-paced and speed. I do love the theming of the park. Love that about it. The food. We didn't really go over desserts. We'll probably have to come back to the park and do that again. I guess we'll have to come back. Yeah, you guys see how tired he is now. So I think we're going to wrap it up here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And Tanner, are we going to more water parks? He's so burnt out. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we will see you next time.